In a bright, happy forest, every bird could sing beautifully. Except one. His song was a little different. The others laughed and ridiculed him, and the little bird felt all alone. But he never gave up. He practiced harder, again and again, without losing hope. Even when the great storm swept through the forest, he continued practicing. One day, everything changed. His song turned beautiful, and the forest fell silent.
La la, what a beautiful morning. Tweet, tweet, the sun is shining bright. Chirp, chirp.